Today's real estate FAQ is who pays for the home inspection? There's a lot of questions when people are buying or selling about who pays for what, and that is one of the common questions that comes up. The physical inspection, which is the primary home inspection, and any other home inspections that require payment. So that could be a sewer line inspection, it could be a mold inspection, it could be a plumber coming out to check something, or a roofing inspection. Any other inspector who's going to charge money and it's not already included in the contract. So that would include a termite inspection if it's not included in the purchase agreement. If there's a charge for that, the buyer is responsible for paying for the inspection because it is their investigation and their due diligence. Now, there are some instances where home sellers will choose to pay for a home inspection prior to putting the home on the market. And that is because they want to ensure that there's not any surprises that come up during escrow. But most of the time, when there's a home inspection, it is the buyer who's paying. If you have any questions about the home buying or selling process, let us know. And be sure to check out our whole series of real estate FAQs. You can find it on our YouTube channel. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. Thanks for watching.